Birds are amazing animals. It's estimated that there are up to 430 billion birds in the world, and more than 10,000 different types. Life would be a whole lot different if these aerodynamic superstars weren't around. How well do you know your different species of birds? Play this 10-question quiz to find out more. You may even want to play it as a group for some friendly competition. And make sure you hit the subscribe button for more animal quizzes. Flamingo. Did you know that flamingos are actually born white or grey, but turn pink because of their diet, which includes brine shrimp? Toucan. Here's a fun fact about toucans. They aren't very good flyers, and prefer to get around by hopping along trees. This is probably because they have such large beaks. Penguin. Did you know? Penguins huddle together to keep safe from predators, but also to keep warm. Eagle. Extra points if you said bald eagle. Did you know? Bald eagles' talons have a much stronger grip than human hands, and they can see their prey up to 2 miles away. That's some vision. Ostrich. The world's largest and heaviest bird used to be called Camelus, which means camel bird. Woodpecker. Despite all that banging their beak against the tree, woodpeckers never get headaches. Swan. Swan are some pretty big birds, but they could fly up to 60 miles per hour. Owl. Extra points if you said barn owl. Barn owl are nocturnal hunters, and they swallow their food whole. Yikes. Peacock. A peacock is a male peafowl, and they're the ones with the fancy feathers. Parrot. Parrots are really intelligent birds, and some species can even imitate human voices. Well, that's the end of the game. Thanks for watching, and make sure you click that subscribe button to get more videos.